Hello and welcome to the Mint Report. In the next few minutes, we'll give you a glimpse of all the important business news developments of the day. Here are the top stories. Supreme Court allows government to become a party to the Reliance gas dispute. Sensex crosses the 15,000 mark, lifts up the rupee. Government tries to develop rice grains that can battle zinc deficiencies. On Monday, the Supreme Court allowed the government to be a party to the dispute between the feuding Ambani brothers. The government had petitioned the Supreme Court asking it to scrap the 2005 agreement between Mukesh Ambani's RIL and Anil Ambani's RNRL. To find out what the court's decision means for the gas dispute, we go over to our correspondent, Utpal Bhaskar.
The Supreme Court has asked Mukesh Ambani-owned Reliance Industries Limited and Anil Ambani-owned Reliance Natural Resources Limited to answer to the government's petition filed on Saturday, which states that why should the gas supply agreement between the two brothers not be declared null and void. Interestingly, this is a part of the larger MOU which has been signed between the two brothers, which was in 2005, which has formed the division of resources between the two brothers post the division of Reliance Industries Limited. Now, interestingly, government had made itself a party to the case. In fact, it was an intervener that filed an affidavit in last year in the Bombay High Court, but had later withdrawn it because RNRL councils had asked the government representative to be cross-questioned. So what it makes it so interesting today is the government has been made a party to the case.
Okay, thanks, Utpal. And the Ambanis are not the only feuding brothers in the news. British hedge fund Spinnaker Capital plans to sell its 25% stake in cement maker Sanghi Industries. The four Sanghi brothers have been fighting for control of the company, in which they jointly own 51.01%. Profits of India's third largest steel maker, JSW Steel, fell 6.4% in the first quarter of this year. Profits fell to 234 crore rupees, down from 250 crore rupees the previous year. On Monday, the Sensex surged by 446 points, closing at 15,191, while the Nifty leaped 127 points, ending the day at 4,502. The rise in shares on Monday had its effect on the rupee. The currency rose more than 1% on expectations of more capital inflows and on a sharp fall in the dollar. At the end of trading, it was 48 rupees and 22 paise to the dollar. Just days after 6 people died at a metro construction site, India's top auditing body, the CAG, has criticized the Delhi Metro for acquiring excess land when it was building parts of the ambitious citywide commuting system. The CAG says the Delhi Metro has more than 3 times the land it needed in some cases. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh told visiting U.S. Secretary of State Hillary Clinton in New Delhi he was concerned about rising protectionism in the United States. Clinton, in turn, said her country did not have protectionist policies. The lack of zinc in people's diets is a nationwide health problem that causes everything from diarrhea to liver disease. But the government is now looking to science for solutions. Scientists at the Department of Biotechnology are trying to develop zinc-enhanced rice that could prevent zinc deficiencies. But will it reach the poor who need it the most? Given the poor record of public distribution system, experts doubt it. And there's good news for travelers flying into Delhi. The Civil Aviation Ministry plans to shuffle use of the 3 runways at the Indira Gandhi International Airport to avoid the long distances between runways and terminals. Taxiing at the airport can currently take up to 20 minutes. Buying that flat-screen TV may take more than swiping plastic. Payment processing firms like Visa and MasterCard have asked stores to request identity proof from their customers when they make a large purchase with their credit card or debit cards. Credit card companies say the move is meant to protect customers from fraud. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.